When it comes to mindfulness, it's important that we don't just limit ourselves to evening wind-down routines or bedtime practices. While those are super important, there's also a lot of power in establishing mindful morning habits. What we do in the morning sets the tone for the rest of our day, both in terms of how we feel and how we behave. These practices combine movement, breathing exercises, and meditation to promote relaxation and reduce stress. When we focus on what we're grateful for, we train our brains to notice the good things in our lives and appreciate them rather than take them for granted. Often, we eat breakfast on the go or while multitasking, which can cause us to miss out on the full sensory experience of eating. Many of us have the habit of checking our phones and emails first thing in the morning, which can lead to feelings of stress and anxiety before the day has even started. Instead, we can begin our day by honoring ourselves and our intentions by committing to a digital detox for the first hour or even the first 30 minutes. During this time, we can disconnect from the distractions of social media, emails, and news, and instead focus on ourselves and our goals. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. One way to do this is to leave your phone in another room while you get ready for the day. During this time, you can engage in activities that align with your values and priorities, such as reading, journaling, or spending time in nature. You can also use this time to plan your day and set intentions, which can help you feel more focused and motivated. Taking a break from technology in the morning can help you feel more connected to yourself and your surroundings. It can also help you be more present and engaged in your interactions with others. If you're struggling to disconnect from your phone, you can also try using it in a different room or turning on Do Not Disturb mode. You can also set boundaries with yourself and others regarding when you will check your phone and emails. Taking a few simple steps to disconnect from technology in the morning can have a significant impact on your day. It can help you start your day with intention and set the tone for a more mindful and productive day. Mindful eating, on the other hand, involves paying full attention to the food we eat, the flavors, textures, and aromas. It takes time to establish new habits, and there may be days when you forget to practice mindfulness or stick to your routine. Not only will you be setting a positive tone for the day ahead, but you'll also be cultivating a sense of inner peace and calm that will serve you well in all areas of your life. So make the commitment to yourself and start incorporating these morning mindfulness practices into your daily routine. You deserve it. The key is to forgive yourself and get back on track. Don't get discouraged if you miss a day or two. Just pick back up where you left off and keep going. Building a daily mindfulness practice is a journey, not a destination. So enjoy the process and celebrate your progress along the way. By practicing mindful eating during breakfast, we can savor the taste of our food and appreciate the nourishment it provides. We can also use this time to connect with our bodies and listen to their hunger and fullness cues. This can help us make healthier food choices and avoid overeating or undereating. In addition to improving our relationship with food, mindful breakfast can also help reduce stress and increase feelings of well-being. When we take the time to fully engage with our senses and appreciate the present moment, we can reduce the negative effects of stress and cultivate a sense of calm and clarity. So, if you're looking for a simple yet effective morning mindfulness practice, consider incorporating mindful breakfast into your routine. It's a great way to start your day with intention and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. This practice can be done in the morning to set a positive tone for the day ahead. Taking a few moments to reflect on all the things we're grateful for can help us approach our day with a more positive attitude and greater sense of well-being. There are many ways to express gratitude. Some people may prefer to write down a list of things they're grateful for each morning, while others may find it helpful to say a prayer or affirmation. Others may choose to meditate on their blessings or simply reflect on them in their own quiet. Whatever method you choose, it's important to make it a daily habit to cultivate the benefits of gratitude. So, try starting your day with a gratitude meditation. By taking the time to appreciate all the good things in your life, you can set a positive tone for the day and improve your overall well-being. They are particularly effective at reducing muscle tension and calming the mind, which can be beneficial for those who suffer from anxiety or other mental health conditions. Additionally, these activities can help you become more aware of your body and its sensations, which is an important part of developing a mindfulness practice. For example, yoga poses can help you connect with your breath while also increasing flexibility and strength. Tai Chi and Qigong movements can help improve balance and coordination while also promoting a sense of inner peace. It's important to choose an activity that you enjoy and that fits into your schedule. Even just a few minutes of gentle movement can make a difference in setting a positive tone for the day. So, if you're looking for a simple yet effective morning mindfulness practice, consider incorporating gentle physical activity into your routine. You may be surprised at how much it can improve your overall well-being and quality of life. And this is why establishing some simple yet effective morning mindfulness practices can have such a profound impact on our overall well-being and quality of life. In today's video, we will be exploring 5 morning mindfulness practices that can help you start your day feeling calm, centered, and ready to take on whatever challenges come your way. The first one is wake up with intention. Instead of waking up to an alarm clock, try setting your alarm for 10 or 15 minutes later than you normally would. That way, you can wake up naturally without the jarring sound of an alarm clock. Once you wake up, take a few moments to lie in bed and reflect on your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest and the gentle flow of air in and out of your nostrils. You become more aware of your breath. Gently bring your attention to the rest of your body. Observe any sensations you may be feeling, whether it's warmth, tingling, or pressure. Acknowledge these sensations without judgment and allow them to be there. After a couple of minutes, gently shift your focus to your thoughts. Notice any thoughts that may be floating through your mind without engaging with them or trying to push them away. Simply observe them and let them pass like clouds in the sky. Finally, set an intention for the day ahead. This could be something simple, like treating others with kindness or being present in each moment. Write your intention down so you can refer back to it throughout the day. Know, too, is mindful movement. Gentle physical activity such as yoga, tai chi, or qigong can help center and balance your energy for the day ahead. The third one is gratitude meditation. Expressing gratitude is an effective way to cultivate positivity and reduce negative emotions such as envy or resentment. The fourth one is mindful breakfast. Eating breakfast is an essential part of our daily routine. But how often do we actually take the time to enjoy our meals? The fifth one is digital detox. And lastly, I want to remind you to please be kind to yourself. And remember, consistency is key. It may take some time for these practices to become second nature, but the benefits of doing so are immense. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with anyone you think it might help.